We had this cyber attack in August 23, so right after I've been nominated for cybersecurity since May 23 in Bolton Group. And we had to shrink and adapt our 5 years cybersecurity roadmap to have it much quicker on the market. So this journey had an acceleration. And one of the first activities that we talked about and we accelerate is the Industrial Visibility Project. The Industrial Visibility Project is aimed to give our business users, our factory and plant users, more visibility of their IT connected devices. Some of them just learned of new devices looking at the platform when we implemented it. And this returns a great value to our business because they don't have to build manually inventories. But returns value also to the IT and cybersecurity function because we can quicker determine a remediation plan for short-term and mid-term. We can better plan for our investments in factories and plants, and we can support the business, like using cybersecurity topics to justify some investments on the production lines that could have been delayed, but we want to accelerate for security reasons.